How Tuktuk Rickshaw is manufactured in the factory complete production process. Scene 1. Introduction. Narrator. Have you ever ridden in a Tuktuk Rickshaw? Vroom vroom. Today, let us take a tour of a real factory and see how a Tuktuk Rickshaw is made, from metal to moving machine. Scene 2. Designing the rickshaw. Show computers and engineers sketching the Tuktuk design. Narrator. Every Tuktuk starts with a plan. Engineers draw the shape, color, and size on big computer screens. Scene 3. Making the body. Show workers cutting and welding metal sheets. Narrator. Now comes the strong metal frame. It's like the skeleton of the Tuktuk. Workers cut metal, bend it, and weld it together. Scene 4. Painting and coloring. Show robots or painters spraying bright colors. Narrator. Time to add some color. Robots or workers spray paint to make the Tuktuk shiny and bright. Scene 5. Installing the engine and battery. Show how the engine or electric motor is placed. Narrator. This is the heart of the Tuktuk. The engine or battery goes in next so it can zoom around the city. Scene 6. Putting on wheels and seats. Show wheels getting attached and soft seats being placed. Narrator. 3 strong wheels go on, 1 in front and 2 at the back. Then comfy seats for the driver and passengers. Scene 7. Adding lights, roof, and decorations. Show headlights, roof mirrors, and stickers being added. Narrator. Lights, mirrors, roof, and maybe some cool stickers. Now it's starting to look like a real Tuktuk. Scene 8. Testing time. Show the Tuktuk being driven around the factory for safety checks. Narrator. Before it's ready for the road, every Tuktuk is tested. Honk honk, brake check, engine check. Everything must be perfect. Scene 9. Ready to ride. Show rows of finished Tuktuks ready for delivery. Narrator. And there you go. Shiny new Tuktuks. All ready to drive people around the city. Beep beep. Ending scene. Recap and message. Narrator. From metal to machine, every Tuktuk is made with care. Next time you ride one, remember how much work went into it.